Since Apple introduced the iPhone 5S, people have been using their home button to unlock their iPhones and iPads quickly and securely using their fingerprints. At times, this can be extremely frustrating, especially when your fingerprint just doesn't take. In this quick tip, I'll show you how to improve your fingerprint accuracy so that your device opens each and every time. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Ellen's Tips for iOS. Let's jump right in. Here you're seeing an overhead shot of my iPhone 7S. And what we need to do is get into the Touch ID settings. So I'm going to tap on Settings. I'm going to scroll until I get to Touch ID and Passcode. If you've entered a passcode for your device, you'll be prompted to enter it here. And now we're into the fingerprint settings. And as you can see, I have two fingerprints listed, my right thumb and my right index finger. And if yours says fingerprint 1, fingerprint 2, you can easily change that by tapping on the fingerprint, hitting the X, and then typing in the finger that you used. So there's a much easier way to make your fingerprint more accurate. And how to do this is by scanning the finger that you used numerous times. The iPhone and iPad, when you first scan your fingerprint, only takes about 20 scans, and sometimes that's just not enough. So I can come back into the fingerprint settings, and I'm going to lay my right thumb on top of the home button, and as you can see, it's going gray and white, meaning that it is taking additional scans. So you can kind of move your finger all over the place and just take as many scans as you want. If I put my right index finger on the home button, you'll see that the right index finger is going gray and white, meaning it's taking additional scans. And this makes your fingerprint far more accurate when you're trying to open your device. I have a bonus tip for you. I'm going to tap on the back button and I'm going to come into Accessibility and scroll until I see the home button. Scroll to the bottom and toggle on that switch that says rest finger to open. What that allows is for you, when you put your finger on the button, it'll automatically take you into your device. So if you bring your device up to your face, the screen lights up, place your fingerprint on the home button, and without having to push the home button, you will be taken right into the device. And it just makes it far easier. And the more scans you do, the more accurate your fingerprint will be. Well, that's it for this week's quick tip. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time.